I can't really read, but I'm assuming based on the red, that must be Kisii Lady. Hi Kisii Lady, welcome. Hello guys, it's Moran here. Welcome to another video, and this time around we are talking about a video capture card. I know to most people this one looks like just another USB card reader or a converter from HDMI to USB-C. So a video capture card is a card that's used to convert whatever is displaying on a specific screen into digital signals that can actually be streamed on different platforms. That's like Facebook, Twitch for gamers, and YouTube. So this one, when you're gaming on your console, you just plug this one into, you plug the HDMI cable into this one, and then you plug this one into your laptop or the machine that you're using to stream. Then you can stream it through OBS. I want to use OBS to stream this one because TikTok does not allow you to stream using this specific card. It only allows you to stream using Evermedia and some other recommended video capture cards. I wrote on Twitter that I needed to get this one a few days ago, and somebody decided to surprise me with it. On looking it up, it's going for about 1,000 or 1,200. I'm not 100% sure, but when I was looking for it in the first instance around where I stay, that's along my Akue, the only shop that had this video capture card, they sold it to me at around 3,000 Kenya shillings. That is 2,500 after bargaining, right? So I was very upset because I knew this one was not supposed to go for that much, and I didn't end up buying it. I gave up on it, and yesterday when I was having a meeting, somebody called me and decided to surprise me with it. So let's see what's inside this packaging. This is exactly how the packaging looks. It's kind of gray on the outside. All the features are written. So there's the introduction to the whole thing. There are features. Now this kind of description down here also helps you understand that this is not just another converter. It's actually a signal converter. So it's not just a converter for HDMI to USB. Yeah, and so this is just the box. Now it's empty, nothing inside. This is the video capture card itself. It's black. It's black, and I like that fact that it's black. I've seen several that are gray, and others that are a bit of a different color. Some are very dark green. So yeah, there's this is the actual thing. So this is the menu. You can actually just go ahead and read what you need to do for you to be able to set it up, and the actual way to set this whole thing up. So this is the exact way it looks. This is how the manual looks. It's written in 2 languages actually. So you get it in English, and I think this is the Chinese language, Mandarin. Yeah. So the features written on this box, let me just read it for you guys so that you capture it. So the features are: it supports input maximum or resolution of 4K, supports output maximum a resolution of 1080p, supports 10 to 12 bits deep color, supports HDMI standard cable input up to 15 meters. So after 15 meters, you'll need to get something that can actually push more power, because this one will not be able to. Supports most acquisition software such as VLC, OBS, and AMCAP. Sorry for that. Supports Windows, Android, and Mac OS. Confirm USB video and USB standard. Conform to USB video 1.5. I was looking for USB 3. Every time I asked this guy to get me USB 3.0, they told me they had USB 2.0, but on receiving this, it's actually USB 1.5 and USB 1.0. So since it was gifted to me, I just decided, no time to complain. Conform to USB audio standard and without external power supply, compatible and portable. So yeah, it actually is very portable. So this is what I have. I've never used OBS before, so I will have to do a whole tutorial for you guys on how to use OBS or VLC to stream. I was asking guys how they manage to stream their gaming when they're playing how do you call it, when they're playing FIFA on TikTok, because I really don't like going live and having my face there. I like just doing something else, because and most time I'm doing multiple things. And this one, I'm assuming that this one is going to help me, just game. Whenever I'm playing, just go live playing, have 1 or 2 people watch me play, and yeah, it's fun. So this one is kind of very heavy. It's not that light. However, you see guys how it looks. it looks like a USB card reader, if you guys remember back in the day. However, it's made in China, so let's see how much it's going to do for us. Anyway, I am happy that I got this one because it's something that most people don't have. It's something that is not even sold by many shops. And yeah, I want to see the experience I'll have on Twitch, the experience I'll have on TikTok, and the experience I'll have streaming gaming on YouTube. So guys, if you're looking for something that can convert whatever is playing on your display into a digital signal that can be streamed across different social platforms, look out for the video capture cards, but always go for the like extreme ones if you have the budget. If you don't have the budget, then just go for this cheap one that's going for about 1,000, 1,200 or 1,500 Kenya shillings. So yeah guys, if you want to get this one, let me know so that I can refer you to the guy who gifted me this one, so that you try it out as well. If you have a gaming console and you want to stream on TikTok, stream on YouTube or Twitch or Facebook as well, this is what you need to be able to do that. The rest of the steps, I will do a video to show you guys how to set it up. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next one.